Hello guys, very good afternoon. This morning I had a very good session. I've been invited for a talk, and my talk is about IoT, the impact of IoT in your future career. So the audience have asked me how does it impact the jobs, and what is the is there any disadvantages or some bad things that will happen? Is it people going to be lazy and so on and so forth? But I guess that if there is this technology, you remember the days when your parents or your grandparents are working more than 12 hours per day. So in our times nowadays, we are working maybe about 8 hours a day or 10 hours a day. And in future, you'll see that the number of days that we work will be shorter than before. Maybe 4 days, 4 hours, 4 hours per day. It's because that we are utilizing tools and technologies that can help us using IoT to do automation, using artificial intelligence and robot to assist you in your daily activities. So you have more time for your family. So that's the best part of having IR 4.0. So does it take away from your job? Are you getting worried about having your jobs being replaced by robots or some other automation things? So I would guess that it's better if we can replace people who are becoming lazy. So if they feel that other automation will actually make them lazy, might as well we replace them with the right application, software or tools or solutions that can replace them. So why the need of people who are becoming so lazy? And secondly, these are the group of people who feels that they are threatened in their current job. You remember the days when if you want to process certain documents or submit some applications, and there is different people who make the decision process, who are responsible for the signatory, and they are very powerful so-called decision maker, and responsible whether your applications will be approved or not, or your claims or approval process needs to have to go through them. So because of this so many red tape processes, these people tends to abuse their power. So you might see a lot of leakages, people being corrupted and bribery happen just because these are the people who are the ones that need to make the decision making process. So you need their signatory. But what happens when processes have been automated and you no longer need them? So they lose this kind of power. So they feel that they are threatened, their jobs are no longer people will no longer depend on them. So in that case, this group of people who feels that they are so powerful now becoming so powerless, and they feel threatened, so they don't like this kind of automation. So a lot of automation things that we want to propose, and these people will feel that since they don't get any extra money, so-called, and they will try to reject any new technology that can replace them. So these are the two groups of people which I feel that might as well IR 4.0 technologies can replace them. People who are so lazy, who don't want to do and remember things, to do something which is repeated, and also the people who feels that they want to be so powerful and they are very corrupted and they love bribes and all that. So we need to replace them. So IR 4.0 is something which can help us in making our work more efficient in the future. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.